It is Christmas time, you guys, and if you have still not found that perfect gift for someone in your life that you want it to be very special, then look no further than Jeulia Jewelry. They have some really great handcrafted jewelry and so beautiful and reasonably priced. So if you're looking for a great gift for that certain someone, that special someone in your life, then try Jeulia Jewelry. Or if you're just looking to gift yourself something, then you should really check out their website. I love this company. They have really great jewelry. And I do want to thank Jeulia Jewelry for sending me this piece to share with you guys. I'm so excited to share this with you guys and tell you the story behind why I picked this piece out. So this is great though. If you are trying to find that last minute gift for someone for the Christmas holiday, then look no further. You could still purchase something from here and get it in time for Christmas. Or if you're looking for that perfect engagement ring, this is a great place to check out. So I will put the website in my description box, and they've also given me a coupon code to share with you guys. It's Amanda2515. I will put it on the screen. I will also put it in the description box for you guys as well, so you can get a great savings if you decide that you want to check out their website and you see anything that you like. Then definitely use that coupon code so you can get some great savings. Their prices are really a good price to begin with for the quality that you're getting, so that additional savings will really help out. So let's get started with this unboxing of this beautiful piece of jewelry from Jeulia Jewelry. So I have shown you another piece of jewelry from this company. Is a beautiful watermelon ring. I will link in the description box also that video of that unboxing, because that is a beautiful ring as well. And I just want to tell you that Jeulia Jewelry has all of their pieces are set in a 925 sterling silver. So all of it is really great quality pieces. And it comes in this packaging here. And then when you open it up, there are a few pieces that you'll see before you actually get into the box. And the first thing is going to be this that says stop. So when you get your piece of jewelry, it is going to have a sticker on it. If you remove that sticker, you're not going to be able to return it after that. But if you still have that sticker on it, then you can still return it. And I will show you what it looks like when we get into the piece. But they do have a great 30-day return policy. If there's something that you're not satisfied with, then you definitely don't want to remove this tag until you know for sure that it's going to fit, if it's a ring or if it's something that you really do like. So make sure to hang on to that. And then you have a little catalog that they include as well with some of their beautiful pieces of jewelry. I mean, they have some beautiful pieces. You should really check their website out. They have some nice engagement and bridal sets. If you're looking for that, you're on a budget and you really just don't want to get a regular diamond, so you can just check it out. They have some great gifts and they have some inclusive sizing. You can get all the way from 3 to a 15 in sizing. Now, some of your specialty sizing like 3s, 4s, 5, some of your smaller sizes and some of the larger sizes do cost a little bit more of a premium price, just a tad bit more to get those sizes. But you have tons of sizes from the smallest of fingers to the largest of fingers. And also they have some items that are engravable as well for, I think it's an additional $20. So if you want to get that gift and you want to make it personalized, then you can do an engraving on that as well. That's a really great thing to just engrave inside the ring or anything like that. That's a really nice option as well. And then the next thing you have is this bag. So if you are going to present this to someone as a Christmas gift, then this is great because you have the packaging. You can just put it in this and present it to them. And then in this also has a greeting card, so you can fill it out and put it in there. And it also has a cleaning cloth in here as well. So you can just put this in the bag when you present it. And then also here you can see it's got a really nice box to present it in as well. So you can just stick this box and the cleaning cloth and a greeting card, write whatever you want to on it, and then stick it in this bag and present it this way. So everything is included for you. You have the card that you can personalize, and then you also have this great bag to present for any kind of gift giving opportunity. So this is really nice that everything is included. But now let's just go ahead and let me show you what is in this box. So it's a really nice matte black box with the Jeulia on here in an embossed silver. So when you open it up, it is wrapped in plastic. So what I actually got was an engagement ring and a wedding band. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can see it. So I wanted to go ahead and put it in the box, both of the pieces, so you can see it. And this is the tag that I was telling you about, that you don't want to remove this if you are going to return it. You definitely want to have this on if you're going to return any kind of ring. So let me go ahead and take this out and then show it to you so you can see it a little bit better. And the story behind this is that I actually cannot wear my wedding band or ring right now. So look at this. How beautiful is this? So my actual set is real diamond set in platinum, and it is a princess cut. It's a 2-carat princess cut in the center, and then it has princess cut stones on the sides of it, and then the band has all princess cut stones on that. But after I had my second child, I have not been able to wear my rings since then, and I am so scared to get it sized because my husband had went to a private jeweler and he is now retired. So I don't trust anybody because it is a near flawless diamond. So I just don't trust anybody to not mix up the diamond or anything like that. So until I can get over those trust issues, I haven't been able to get that resized yet. When I was looking through all of the rings on their website, this one is so similar to mine. It has the princess cut in the center, and the princess cut stone in the center is a 1.9 carat. So it's almost the same size as the one that I have. And then the stones that are on the side of it and on the wedding band part, they are a round stone. So that's the only difference between it and my original one, is these are princess cut on my original, but these are a rounded stone on this one. But they look so similar to what I have. And these are set in the sterling silver, but so much more affordable. This retails for $155 for the set. So you can get both of these pieces for $155. It has a really beautiful brilliance to it. And I'm going to put them on in just a minute, but I wanted to show these to you against the black so you could really see how these sparkle and how beautiful they are. Let me go ahead and put this on so you can see what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wedding bands on first so you can see how beautiful that is. Really shining. It's such a brilliant shimmer to this. And then I'm going to put the other one on with this so you can see what they look like together. Absolutely stunning this set is. It's very beautiful, and it's $155. So if you're wanting to get yourself that gift, if you are like me and you can't wear your original wedding set, but you want to have something there, this is a great alternative for that. Jewelry, you never can go wrong with gifting jewelry. So this is really nice though, how brilliant this is. So like I stated, the center stone is 1.9 carat, and it has a total of 30 stones altogether around the center stone, and then on the band, it has a total of 30 stones. Just really brilliant and beautiful looking. It's just so pretty. It's lightweight, but you can tell it's well made. So whether or not you are looking for a gift to get somebody for this Christmas season or just a gift to give yourself, this is such a good opportunity to check out their website. Their products are so nice and reasonably priced and great quality. So I'm going to list the website in the description box along with the coupon code so you can get even more savings on these great prices. And I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.